How to share Spotify songs on Facebook story with music. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily share Spotify songs on your Facebook story with music. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Spotify app. And then once you're in your Spotify, open that music that you want to share on your Facebook story. Now after you open, you have to tap on these three lines here in the top right corner. Then here scroll down a little bit and you will see the share option. Tap on it and then here you will see many options. So here you have to tap on the Facebook story option and wait for a few seconds and it will take you to your Facebook and you can see that here this song is playing. So now you just have to tap on share and your Spotify music will be shared with music on your Facebook story. So tap on share and it will be shared. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.